Hello, welcome back to English with Eleanor. Today I want to talk about one of the biggest differences that people find when they come to Ireland. I'm going to speak slowly using slow English, and at the end I'm going to ask some questions to see if you understood what I was talking about. When we visit any other country, one of the biggest differences that we notice is the food. Because even though we might use the same basic ingredients like meat, vegetables, carbohydrates, we prepare them in totally different ways, which means that the taste is very different. So in Ireland, when you come to Ireland, you might find that the food is bland. So bland means flavorless, means that there is not a lot of flavoring on the food. We don't tend to add a lot of herbs and spices in our traditional cooking, so it might not taste as flavorful as you would expect or hope. The other thing about food is that we eat our main meal probably at a different time to a lot of other countries. So in the middle of the day, for lunch, people in Ireland tend to eat something light. So they might eat a sandwich or a wrap. They might have a soup. They don't tend to eat a large meal at that time of day because usually at that time of day, the majority of people are working and we don't have a very long lunch break in Ireland. Instead, we eat our main meal in the evening at around 6 or 7 o'clock. And again, for some people from some other countries, this could be a little bit early to eat your last meal. So what we do is we often eat a supper in the evening, something light like toast or cereal or something light but like a snack before we go to bed in the evening. So for breakfast, typically, people eat things like cereal, toast, yogurt, porridge, eggs. Our traditional breakfast has sausages, baked beans, bacon, fried eggs, a lot of different types of food, but this is not something that Irish people typically eat every day. This is more like a treat or something we might eat at the weekend or when we go to a restaurant. If you come to Ireland, it is quite easy to find a traditional Irish breakfast, but remember, it is not what most people eat on a daily basis. Have you ever been to Ireland? Have you tried Irish food? What is it like in your country? Is it different to how I have described? So I'm going to ask you some questions to check your understanding, and I'll put the answers in the comments for you to check. So first of all, is our main meal lunch or dinner? Is our main meal lunch or dinner? Second, Is dinner usually the last thing that we eat, or do we eat something else after that? So is our dinner usually the last meal of the day, or do we eat something else after that? And number 3, the last one, we have traditional Irish breakfasts. Is it typical for most people in Ireland to eat this type of breakfast every day or not? So is it typical for Irish people to eat a traditional Irish breakfast every day, or is it not something that we do every day? So check the comments for the answers. Let me know how many you got. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.